Good morning. Good morning.
And finally, new rule, nothing with crypto in the title ever turns out good.
Don't write me about Bitcoin, please. I don't give a f***, so don't ask me.
Bitcoin happens to use a lot of energy. It happens to promote anonymous transactions.
Bitcoin is not a currency.
Not bullish on Bitcoin.
You, John McAfee, believe in the power of Bitcoin. So much so that you'll put your on the table, chop it up, put it in your mouth, swallow.
If it doesn't reach at least $1 million.
99.999% of the people that own Bitcoin are f***ing morons. That's just it.
What's it feel like to be a Bitcoin?
I don't have any Bitcoin.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
Good morning.
GM, everybody. Do you think that John McAfee actually did the deed before he offed himself? Do you think he ate it? Do you think he chopped it up and ate it?
No, I don't think so. I think that would come out. I think that one would be leaked. That detail would then.
Well, either way, welcome everybody. I'm a little under the weather today, so we're gonna make it a shorter show than usual.
Freeman refused to call in sick.
I will not call in sick. I will not call in sick. I took some meth and some Sudafed, and I'm here.
Yeah, he refuses. Yeah, I was pretty excited. I thought maybe I'd get a morning off.
Yeah, Matt was encouraging me to do self-care a little too much. I could tell. I was like, this is not his nature. He doesn't do self-care.
Sure,
I know that this is actually just to benefit himself. So I had to come and ruin his day by still making him show up.
Yeah, just because I was thinking maybe I could get a nap in today or something. I don't know.
Smoke a few rocks and get it done. Exactly. Okay.
We're that kind of show.
Yeah. I think they say don't start you don't want in the first couple seconds of your show of your video to have any profane language and stuff. Whereas the first 5 minutes of our show is all just garbage.
We get down.
We get it going. We get it going. Yeah, we have a good time. Okay, let's chill ourselves real quick. GMDeFi.xyz. Check out the tools section. Check it out. We've got the kimono here. Very beautiful name. I
coolest.
think I'll pat myself on the back for that.
The coolest indicator out there.
Yes, the coolest. Because we made it and we are cool. So it's an all-in-one indicator. Shows you the 4 key parts of the market. Trend, momentum, volatility, volume. It's got 10 different built-in indicators. What else could you ask for?
Nothing.
Exactly. So you can get this for free.
Go to the Discord. Go to our Discord.
Join the Discord.
Check it out.
Go to the Kimono channel.
Join the morning club.
Join the morning club. Oh, I like that. The morning club. Okay, let's get into the news. Decentraland has only 379 active users. Sandbox has 616. And where was the other one? That they changed the title of this. Actually, it had said another one of them. Small. There was another one here that was even less. They literally changed the subject line though. But Decentraland is the largest metaverse platform according to market cap, and it just has 379 daily active users. Where are the users? Metaverse was the buzzword of 2021, with various companies like Meta rebranding themselves to onboard the metaverse trend. That's just cringy.
The metaverse kind of sucks. That's why, man.
Yeah, I mean, I've never actually, that's not true. I had a good time in the metaverse when I went and crashed that metaverse Shark Tank show. But that's the problem. All it takes is one guy who won't follow the rules, and it's not like you can lock him up for indecent behavior. You can just kick him out, which eventually did get kicked. But it's not fun.
Yeah, I mean, I mean, you already have video games like like GTA, and
Yeah,
they're
which is
just
way more
awesome
fun.
at that.
I
Yeah,
can I
or
can, pick up
even
hookers.
Sims.
I can
Like
go
there's
on a spree. I can rob a bank. Like, can I do any of that in Decentraland? It's way
These
too
video games
PC.
are nice and everything, and I think um the metaverse kind of version. I don't know, man. It's a harder sell.
Bro, these have a market cap of $1.2 billion. I
Dude,
mean,
that's
we should have a
crazy.
market cap of at
That's
least then
crazy.
100,000,000. I mean,
Well, we
there's
don't have a shit token.
yeah,
We don't
but we
have that
have
yet.
probably about the same
When
amount of
token?
users. Actually, we have
When
more
token, Freeman?
subscribers than either of these have users. That's I mean,
Oh,
and
yeah,
that's
that's
that's a
true.
that's a diss because
That's
it's not
this.
many.
Yeah,
So,
and we've been doing this for like 6 months plus, and
yes, exactly,
yeah.
DeKenzos, those numbers are encouraging. Thought everyone left.
Ba-dum.
Biting, yes,
Yeah.
bing bong. Why?
Bing
Where?
bong.
Why are there no users? I mean, it's so exhilarating. It just doesn't make sense.
I love
Uh,
the projects too who are like, we're building worlds, we're building metaverse worlds, and it's gonna be awesome. And people are like, oh yeah, this is so cool. And then everyone just remembers, oh yeah, I'm just buying this stupid thing to sell later, and I don't really give a shit about this other metaverse
there's
stuff.
probably
Who
more
has time for
people
that stupid shit?
playing City Skylines on Steam than there are people in the metaverse. So yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Well, and then especially when you
pathetic.
start talking about like metaverse in VR, like just having like the goggles on and everything, like that's another level of metaverse that and it just kind of sucks too, because it's like, I don't know, man. I
Yeah.
it just it just kind of sucks. And that video that's on your Twitter feed is
Wait,
going, I'm
what
like, why
video?
is that stupid fucking thing going
This?
viral? Yeah, it's
What
just
is this? Oh no.
a dude just
I'm so scared.
knocks
What
another
is
dude
this?
out.
This looks like it was filmed in the 90s.
Yeah,
This is a
I
home
think it's
video from the
both,
90s?
but I don't know why it's gaining
Those
traction right
pants,
now.
dude. Those pants that dude on both the guys,
Um,
their pants are so 90s. Like I used to
dude,
wear jeans like that
I
in middle school.
yeah, I mean, like, I just love how like everyone's circling them, like fight,
Dude, and I love
fight.
how this
Like,
guy's got the kung fu stance going on.
I know, yeah, yeah. Just watch,
It's
just
just
wait, just
dude,
wait. Dude,
the
this is too
cholo is
long.
just gonna put lights out this kung fu guy.
You'd think that, like, just based on all this, you'd
I
be like,
just
yeah,
feel
dude,
like that would just be
that
the
guy,
case.
that
Oh,
guy's
is the kung fu guy
gonna
actually know kung fu? No, this looks so pathetic. Oh, that was
boom.
lucky. That was a lucky hit. That was a lucky hit.
It was just stupid.
That was a lucky hit. Anyway, this
I've
user
seen
pointed
cooler
out.
things, cooler fights than that, and just
Oh,
like,
way
I
cooler.
don't know why
Yeah,
that one was
Jenko.
fun.
Jenko, that was the jeans, the Jenko jeans.
Yeah,
Yeah, man,
Jinko
those were hot.
jeans.
I bet you could find some of those at Goodwill now. I should
I
bring them
had a
back.
pair of those.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. In like
Mm,
middle school.
yep.
So yeah, 1,074 users interacted with smart contracts for entire of September in Decentraland. It looks like so about 35 users a day. I'm telling you, we have more
That's
interaction than
nothing. Dude,
Decentraland.
that is crazy.
That is crazy. I love how they're saying these numbers are horrendous compared to CS:GO. Yeah, CS:GO was and Counter Strike Go was released in what 2012, something like that. More people say that. Oh man, it's because they're not fun. They just need to
No,
make a
you
fun
just
game.
well, yeah, you just go in and explore world, and then you're like, "Okay, that was cool, done, never doing that again." Like,
Yeah. It's just like, yeah, you just walk around, you go to the Heineken bar and you have your fake beer, and then you're
yeah,
like,
like,
what now?
like, I bet you, like, the most time they have, users is just, like, during events, like, maybe, during a Snoop Dogg concert or
Yeah,
something in the
that's the only
Metaverse.
time anyone goes there,
And
and probably
then,
half of those are bots.
yeah, and then they probably, no one's gonna probably stay the whole, like, evening in there, right? They're, like, there for, like, 20 minutes. They're like, "Okay, this is cool,
Yeah,
but
like,
this
I gotta
kinda
go make
sucks."
dinner,
Yeah, I
so,
gotta actually go eat and nourish
I
myself.
gotta go change my baby's
And,
diaper,
yeah, drinking all this
so
VR beer is
yeah,
cool, but I'm gonna
really
go
messed
drink
me
a
up.
real beer and talk to a real girl, you know, like
Hey, now. Kansas
yeah.
hasn't talked to a girl in years, so don't offend him. But yeah, that's
Uh,
fun. That's great. Let's go to this one. Celsius founder Alex Mashinsky is still dumping hundreds of thousands of dollars in Celsius tokens across different wallets. So this guy, I don't know if you've seen this guy,
wow.
CoffeeZilla. This guy crushes it on YouTube, but he's been going after Alex Mashinsky, and he called him a cartoonish villain. And he says after getting called out for stealing money from his company on the brink of bankruptcy, he starts dumping hundreds of thousands of dollars of Celsius tokens across multiple wallets. He's dumping as I write this. The last trade was 3 minutes ago. So he's got this little screenshot here of Mashinsky's wallets just cashing out still. So it's like, isn't that money supposed to go back to, like, shouldn't you just take the existing tokens and give them back to?
So is it all going to like his wallet? Is that what it's going to?
Well, his wallet is cashing out, and like it looks like going to USDC.
Gotcha.
He's cashing out Celsius tokens for USDC, and this is on the heels of the news of him and other executives there, taking tens of millions of dollars out of people's wallets essentially right before they stopped withdrawals. So this is blood money right here. I feel like this is like this is one of those people. This is that guy's $40 million that is at the top of the Celsius, tracker that tracks everybody's losses. But just crazy, man. That Alex Mashinsky guy. He's a
piece of work.
I wonder what his background is. Like, is he from traditional finance or something? Like, is he just one of those? I don't know. Good for him. Hope he buys a nice luggage set for his future travels. Yeah, I think him and Do Kwon are going on a retreat together. They're going to a yoga retreat in Bali.
Yeah.
And they're gonna just,
an ayahuasca retreat in Brazil.
They're going to an ayahuasca retreat. Oh my God, that's funny. Yes, who needs relationships when you have waifu NFTs? I agree. Google has tapped Coinbase to bring crypto payments to cloud services. Early next year, users will be able to pay for cloud services using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum via Coinbase. So this is kind of interesting. I mean, I guess, especially for developers who are developing apps in the Web3 space and are getting paid in crypto, this could I could see like maybe just make it easier for them to pay for their services. The question I have is maybe they'll just do like you top up your account or something, because subscriptions are really hard to do. So
yeah,
probably just top up your
know. That's
cloud account for your cloud stuff, all your cloud things. There was another hack. Tron's Just ecosystem was reportedly hit with 4,600 BNB exploit. The Tron-based JST token seems to have been rugged.
BNB is just getting fucking.
It is getting it lately, yeah. The Tron-based JST token seems to have been rugged. In this recent exploit, PeckShield reports that a scammer has moved 4,600 BNB valued at 1.25 million to Tornado Cash, while 2,555 BNB worth nearly 693,000 still sits in the hacker's wallet. Oh, wow. So they have a lot in there. Just refers to a DeFi ecosystem built on the Tron blockchain with its entire suite of products, mostly centered on a decentralized stablecoin lending platform known as Just Stable. This launched in 2020, following an initial exchange offering on Poloniex Launchbase platform earlier that same year. They have two tokens, USDJ and Just. So I'm kind of confused what happened here. So it was on Tron. It was using this Just DeFi, and it was BNB. So maybe somebody had deposited BNB into the like DeFi farm or something. I don't know, dude. But another day, another hack, another day in paradise. Ape Water
Yeah.
is doing a casting call from Board Jobs and Ape Beverages. That's the co-tweet about this. Board Jobs, is that just a jobs board just for like bored apes? Hire any bored ape? Wait, what?
I think maybe you can. Is that where where you could license
It
your
must be. Yeah,
Bored
NFT
Ape out?
licensing marketplace connecting owners and brands. Oh wow, that's niche. Cool. Enter your bored ape or Macy for the chance to get cast for Ape Water's next can, plus $10,000 in licensing fees. Ape Water. Sure, this is going to be a total hit with the kids, just like the
Ape
V
Water.
Friends toys.
Well, like we were talking how we had.
Yeah,
this
we
idea
don't
of
need to go
doing-
there.
Yeah.
We don't need to go there.
It was cool. If you guys were interested, what we
Yes.
were thinking about,
There's
with
10K
that-
available. Just pick one you like.
we did have a cool song that we
Bro,
released.
this was supposed to be memory hold, bro.
Yeah.
We were memory holing this, and
This
now
was
you're
never-
resurfacing it.
Never happened.
You're resurfacing it.
Yeah.
Yes, Ape Casting
And
Couch.
water.
That sounds like some kind of interesting video
Ape
series, the
Casting
Ape Casting
Couch.
Couch, for sure. Okay, last little bit of news here. Yuga is made an Instagram account. Slow clap. Big things happening over there at Yuga Labs. They have an official Instagram account now, and this video is nice and cringy of the
Yeah, dude.
Bored
Yeah.
Ape founders partying, I guess, dancing. Looks like he's
Yeah.
having a great time.
He's doing
So
yeah.
this is a thing now, I guess. And you can go follow Yuga Labs on Instagram. Big news. Okay, let's go to the charts.
All right, let's go to the chart. Yes, the jingle. Oh man, what happened to my screens?
Whoa.
You there?
Yes,
Am I
we are
here?
here. We are here. You are here. Can you hear us?
Yes, I'm here. I don't know what happened.
there you go.
But, all right, everything went black for me for a sec. All right, we're in Bitcoin Daily, and yeah, I want to talk real quick. That jingle that we had was
No, bro, you're supposed to leave this. You're supposed to leave this at the door.
they want to know.
No,
They
don't
wanna
just
know.
ignore them. Just pretend like you never saw it.
You're like, Matt, did I bring the
Chat's
comment
moving
up?
too
I
fast.
didn't bring
Yeah,
the
I didn't,
comment
I
up.
didn't highlight the comment. The chat's moving too fast to even be able to tell what anyone's saying. So
Because
it's
I mean that jingle we played for quite some time, and then
dude, do
leading
I
on
have
to
to
something
cut your
kind of
mic
cool.
this morning? God, dude, I don't want to do this. I don't want to cut your mic, but I might have to.
All right. Moving on.
UMF.
Moving on. The jingle was good. It was really good. I mean, I think
Golf
we
says
had
he can
something
still
there.
hear it now.
Hello.
Okay,
morning
I'm cutting your
dew.
mic. See, just like that, his mic got cut. See, I warned him. I gave him fair warning.
Oh, funny. Okay, guys. If you don't know what's going on, you gotta watch the show more. All right.
Yeah, you got to watch the archive.
Yeah.
Go to
All right.
like episode. I don't know, probably like 60
Sometime
or
in
something.
June. Yeah, probably. I think it was sometime in June. We played that sucker for like a month in our
Okay,
intermission.
man. This
Anyway,
is not good. We just did
Look
a whole
at-
segment on that song.
All right. We are testing the lows. All right. We are testing the bottom range here. This is where I've been expecting Bitcoin's Bitcoin's price right in here in the range low. Right now we are treating it as support, right? So I'm not, again, I should have just had more confidence. I took my shorts out too early, but I take profits. But I'm just waiting to see here if we get some clear signs that we're going to be getting a bounce, or if this is going to be one of these situations where we break this and we get lower lows, all right, that's what I'm waiting to see. All right. Like if we go to the thing is that the stocks, S&P 500, it's at year lows, right? We're making lower lows. Um and right, the S&P 500 looks gnarly. It looks like the next level of support really is like this level over here. That's
Mhm.
where I'd be looking at support for, like if I was like, "Oh, this is going to be the bottom." This is where I would think the actual bottom is, which is really close. We're really close there. All right. So
Dude,
if you
it was
think,
raging for so long. That freaking uptrend, that bull trend was crazy. It barely even ever went back to the 50. Just was crushing.
yeah, it was cool.
I miss those
That's,
days.
um, yeah, they're gone now. So, um, dollar still
Sad.
pumping. Um, no end in sight for the dollar and its pumpage. So the question here for Bitcoin is it gonna hold here, or are we gonna break and come on down to this level here about 12K? I mean, we could we could maybe wick down here to like 16. I've heard 15K and get a bounce. Um, all possible. But I'm not shorting to those levels right now because we are at support. And we've been in this range since June, right? And I mean, it worked. I would expect us to just stay in the range. So, um, just because that's what we've been doing, and so I'm gonna expect us to continue with the trend for as long as it's our friend. Um, but this is a crucial level for Bitcoin to be holding. If it breaks, of course, we have this level of support here at 18K, 18.1. About is where I could expect maybe a bounce. We've been bouncing off of there pretty consistently. So let's see what happens there. I know. Is the Powell thing this week?
Yeah, I think maybe Thursday, I want to say. I was
Yeah.
looking at the calendar here. Yeah, keep going and I'll look at the
I
calendar.
forgot to look at yeah, yesterday I was looking at it, but I didn't remember anything. I'm like, oh, great. Don't remember what's
Oh,
happening.
I don't remember anything.
Yeah, it's like I just looked at all this shit and now I can't even
Actually,
remember.
let's see. CPI, is
Yeah,
that what we're
CPI.
looking for? Yeah, that's on
Yeah.
Thursday, it looks like.
Yeah.
So
All
that's
right,
on.
Ethereum. Ethereum is breaking the local range. All right. Red alert, red alert. We are breaking the local range. This looks like we could be, if this closes down here below this range, right? We get a red candle. Um, I would expect us to maybe get down here to this low, to this volume low. We also have a nice node and support, I would say right about here. Um, so maybe ETH gets down to 1221, 1220 area before we get a bounce. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Uh, Today though, we got to see like if what how's like 4 hour looking. I mean, we could be getting, if we can get this on the kimono, right? We have this wave starting to crest up. If we get a green dot, an oversold signal here, that could be a bullish divergence right there. So momentum's going up, but price is went lower. That could give us a good indication that we could be reversing this trend. But right now, as you can see, right, this is our volume range, and currently we're treating it as resistance, right? What was support is now resistance. So I'm expecting If we get this, if we keep rejecting off, yeah, we're going down, you know. Um, so let's just see how if it can hold this and pop right back up. But as of now, I mean, the charts look like it's telling us that it wants to go lower. Um, but yeah, so it's not looking good. Okay. We
Sweet.
could definitely be looking lower. This is what I was waiting for on Ethereum to essentially be looking to maybe getting back into a short because as we came down here, right, I was out of my short, but then and I wasn't going to go long yet until I had confirmation we're getting a bounce. Didn't get that confirmation. Now this is telling me that we have challenged the re-entry back into the range, the volume range, and we are rejecting. So I would imagine number go down.
Oh boy.
Go down. But then basically from our local high to our current price, we we have this level here. We have this level here. So this zone, I'd say this is a zone, right? It's not as so much a level as it is a zone. What am I looking for here? I want to draw a rectangle. So this zone is really what I'm looking at. Saying, okay, when the price gets down here, this could be really good buying opportunity. We've already wicked down here before. And it's right here. It's support. It's that major level of support for Ethereum. And if we break this level, then yeah, we're going down to Goblin Town. And there is a lot of liquid. I mean, there's a lot of vector candle zones down here. Right? A lot of vector candle zones for the market maker to return price to. So it's just, it looks like we're going to get lower prices, guys. I mean, if you think that we're going to bounce now, then you're saying that the stocks are done dumping. You know what I mean?
Right.
And are the stocks done dumping? Probably not. Probably not. So, yeah, we could totally
come down lower.
Be going down. Going down, yeah, I think so. It's just a matter of does it happen? How much lower do we go today versus throughout the week? CPI shit, maybe that'll really create some nice volatility for us. But right now, it's just it's not looking good. So I'm around these areas, I like to look for longs, but I'm not seeing that right now. I'm seeing the rejection off of resistance there. So Bitcoin, I really would like to see a rejection around here, but it's yet to be seen, right?
Yeah.
Yet to be seen. I mean, 1 hour. Ugh, yeah, 1 hour looks bad. We are getting a stopping candle though. So
stop.
Interesting.
You need to stop.
All right. What else should we look at?
Wow. The stopping candle did stop you there. Wow. That was crazy. Yeah, check out Sol. Oh boy, this does not
Sol. Yeah, dude. We've been trying to hold this level and it's breaking as we speak. And I mean, really, with Sol, we're down in this range, right? And we're just heading towards the volume range low, it looks like. So let's see if we can get price. Yeah, I could see price getting down lower somewhere around here. Maybe we get a bounce up. Right. So it's really close to where I would look for a buy on Solana, right? Again, all these levels, everyone's right now, they're at the bottom of the ranges. Ethereum is breaking through its local range. So I don't like to short support, but when supports start to fail, there's no other option,
Yeah.
Trying to see, but it's down. Yeah, it was down 2%. That's probably a big one. Manic is down 2%. So we do have some movement here. I mean, Matic's breaking down below the 50 moving average. And Matic is really interesting because it's had a nice time, compared to a lot of the other shit tokens. As far as like the charts saying, right? Because like Sol's at the lows, Bitcoin's at the lows, Ethereum is at a level of support, but if it breaks that, then it's at the lows. Matic here, I mean, it's got levels to still respect, and so it could come down several levels, and it's not gonna get that's June lows, so Matic's not looking as bad in kind of longer term, but you do have a lot of potential of right because there's a lot of imbalance in the charts, right? You have these crazy vector candle zones um, where it just rocketed up, and so price could totally come down and claim those zones, and then maybe get a bounce. But yeah, it's looking like numbers going down.
Dumpy.
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to show this real quick. We are, for everybody that came in late, we are doing a shorter stream today because I feel like I got hit by a truck. But we covered most of the mints yesterday. I did just want to, however, point out real quick on OpenSea top collections that Pixelmon is coming back, baby. Pixelmon is back. We are at #1 spot in the top.
Is that dude finally spending his millions on the project, or
it sounds like it's being revived? There is an airdrop coming in, an artist reveal, a new adventure awaits us. It could be as if the first adventure with Pixelmon was not exciting enough.
Well, when they when they did the reveal, like the updated meta, right? Didn't they leave Kevin the same? I think they just left Kevin the same, but they updated like
all the other ones look way better. And you can see the floor here. Let me go. God, dude, it's like I don't even have many tabs open. It's just that OpenSea just really taxes the computer here. Hello computer. Okay, well while we do that, you can see they've started to tweet again. They have a Discord. And they've saying that the Great Reset is coming, so they're resetting. And the current lead character designer at Blizzard has created an avatar collection for Pixelmon holders. Holders will not only get a PFP, but also access to fully rigged 3D assets as well as land and tokens in the future. Oh, they're gonna do token and land, bro.
Of course, bro.
They're gonna do token and land. Oh, like the millions that they sucked out of the market just wasn't enough. Wasn't enough. Now he bought his giant house. That 14-year-old bought his giant house and his Lamborghini, and now he's realizing, the insurance, the taxes, I need to make
more money.
I need more.
So Kent asked, did he sell it? Did he sell this project?
That's a fantastic question.
I
don't know actually. But we don't need a short show.
Suck it up, Freeman.
I know, guys. And let me just get this floor chart up here real quick because the floor has been pumping. And does it show some of the assets down there? Yeah. So here's our floor. Let me go to all. Yeah. So I mean, getting a healthy pump, and there are probably some bag holders that are real relieved for this pump to be able to maybe offload some of these to some new bozos. But you can see we are approaching. I mean, it's the highest it's been since the first couple days when just things were crazy.
Right.
I'm guessing this was the reveal date right around February 26th. But pumping, dude. Freaking Pixelmon, come back. Don't call it a comeback. Pixelmon never left.
Check it out. Maybe. So are you saying it's a good time to buy? Is it a good time to get in?
The thing is, like, dude, these are identical. I think I remember that being the case where a lot of them were the same. Yeah. Sad, dude.
Yeah,
I don't know. This project, the fact that it's pumping is just like, yep, volume must be low right now. Nothing's going on because Pixelmon is pumping. So that's got to be a bad sign, right? Like the number is definitely going down. Like the market is definitely going to be going down today if Pixelmon is pumping.
Yeah.
Makes
I
me
think that's
want
a
to
good.
get back into
Yeah.
Megaverse. Wow, Megaverse, man. You know, that
was the
one, that
top.
was such a
That was the
beautiful
top
rug, that
signal.
Megaverse.
Yeah.
It was better than Pixelmon, as far as just the sophistication of the rug, for sure. Yeah, we should de-rug Megaverse. Somebody should. Okay, guys. Well, that's going to do it for us today. Like I said, short show, but we'll be
Let's
back
do it.
tomorrow as long as I'm not feeling worse. And pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Cold is it's real tough. Colds take people out every day. So
They take.
pray for me, guys.
Wait, like if you're out like an elderly, is that what you're talking about?
Yes, exactly. And I'm old. I'm feeling old and creaky. So
Right.
exactly.
I don't
Twitter's
think the
never
people
prospered.
where if you sneeze you have a risk of a heart attack are in the same boat as you, friend.
Yeah, I think so. I'm feeling old and creaky, body aches. This is the end. I'm seeing my life keeps flashing before my eyes as we're doing the show. So, yeah. Well, thanks guys for joining us, and we will be back. Yeah, tomorrow, same time, 10 a.m. Eastern, and join the Discord, subscribe if you haven't done all that, and we shall see you very, very soon. Let me get
Mañana.
everything going here. Oh yeah. Let me get it all going. We're gonna do the South.
Is that your Mario accent?
Sure. Yeah, let's call it that.
Your Mario voice. Everyone's doing their best Mario voices these days.
That's okay. It was okay. Okay, bye guys.